Hello and welcome back to Farm Shark. Now today we have a little different video that I'm doing. It's a little tutorial on how to use Scratch 2. So, there is a book which coincides with this, which explains how to do the cat and mouse game. It's coding for beginners using Scratch. The publisher is Osborne. And I'll have the link for it in the description below, as well as the download link for Scratch 2. So make sure you check out the description. And as always, check out the description below before commenting. So now, here is what the program should do with my changes, which I like. That I like to do for this program, like sound and background and that kind of stuff. So here's what it's supposed to do. Just like that. It's supposed to, the mouse points towards the mouse pointer and the cat chases after the mouse, and just like that. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, so go to the events block, do when green flag is clicked. Go to the motion block, this is the coding for the cat, and have it set to do point towards mouse pointer. Do that, then move 10 steps, and then, let's see, yeah, go to the looks button, next costume, and that's all you need to do to make your cat walk, except for one thing. This may trip some people up. Do the repeat button. So that will make your cat walk, just like that. Now, in order for the program to work, you need this, but not the repeat. You need the repeat until button. And then go to sensing, go to touching mouse pointer, right there, and that will make your cat walk until it touches the mouse pointer. So, make sure that's clicked, and we'll come back to the cat. Now go down to here, click choose sprite from library. Now this may take a little while for the sprites to load up, and as you scroll down, the game may look like it's about to crash, but it really isn't. It just takes a little while for it to load up. So go down to mouse 1, click that, click OK, and that will load mouse 1 into the playing field. Go to events, do when green flag is clicked, go to motion, point towards mouse pointer, that one you do want to leave at mouse pointer. Go to move 10 steps. The book says to do 25. I recommend 25. It's a good setting. And go to looks. This is one of my suggestions. I suggest that you do the next costume because the mouse does have another costume. The book does not say that, but looks kind of good. Okay. So then go back to the cat and click that. Make sure that's to mouse 1 and make sure that this is also to mouse 1. So now that ought to make your thing to go to the mouse. Now to make the game fair and a lot more enjoyable, go to motion block and do go to X, whatever number you choose, and Y to whatever number. And set that so that the cat goes to the middle of the page. Now, I do recommend that you have basic knowledge of the Cartesian plane because this game does use it, as shown right here. And then go to the mouse and do go to X, whatever number, and Y to whatever number, and have it go to this point of the stage. Go to here, do X to 40, Y 180, and that makes the game more enjoyable. Although, you do need one other thing in the mouse. You do need the repeat until button as well. You need repeat until, stop it, you need the repeat until touching, and you need that to sprite 1. That way, your mouse will actually walk until it's touching the cat. So now go back to the cat sprite 1 and go to looks, have it say thing for 2 seconds and have it say got you. Now you click on the little text box and then type in whatever you want. Say got you, so that when you do it, the cat will actually say got you. Okay, all without the laugh, but still. You can always add in the laugh on your own. So, can do that, and that's basically all there is, except for one other thing. Go down to data. This is for the scoring. Click make a variable. Again, I suggest that you have basic knowledge of variables, X and Y, and put in score. That will create little blocks here, also creates the overlay up there, and put at the beginning, before the repeat, set score to 0. And then here, at the repeat, do change score by 1. Now, another thing, if you notice that when the sprites are on the edge, they flicker like that. In order to make that not happen, go to the motion blocks and use this block. If on edge, bounce. Right there for both of them. That will make them bounce off the edge. Like they're energetic. So, and it will also do the score until you get caught by the mouse. I mean by the cat. One of the suggestions which I have for the cat is to make it sound the meow. Again, it's just your personal choice on whether you want it to meow when it catches the cat or not. I mean, when it catches the mouse, like that. All your personal choice. So, then go to here, the stage here. Again, my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want. Go to the stage to make it change from a white background to kitchen or railroad tracks or a city, whatever you want. As you can see, there are tons and tons of backdrops. So you can scroll down until you find one that you like. Party room, school. I think the kitchen is a good one. And that will make the sprites to be in a kitchen environment. So then, just have fun with the little game. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a short little tutorial on how to use Scratch 2 in conjunction with the Coding for Beginners using Scratch book. I will be making more videos like this in the future. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this video. Tutorials which I will make in the future will be on dancing sprites, which is the next section in the book, drawing, as well as a few other games like bat and ball and other stuff. I will also be making videos in conjunction with the coding for beginners using Python. It's a little more complicated than the Scratch, as you don't have all the blocks. You actually have to type in the code yourself, but it goes in depth with that on the book. Again, the company which makes that book is Osborne. Links will be in the description below. So make sure you check out the description before commenting. Bye for now.